two identical strings, but is returns false. That's Python's string interning catching you off guard. String interning is Python's optimization where identical string values share a single object in memory. Instead of creating two separate string objects with the same content, Python caches one and reuses it. Two intern strings don't just look the same, they point to the exact same memory address. Here's the crucial distinction. Double equals checks value. Do these strings contain the same characters? The is operator checks identity. Are they literally the same object in memory? For intern strings, both operators return true. But for non-intern strings, equal still works correctly while is returns false, even when the content is completely identical. Python automatically interns strings that look like identifiers. Short strings with only letters and underscores, plus string literals known at compile time. But strings with spaces, punctuation, or those built at runtime through concatenation or string formatting typically do not get interned. Never use is to compare strings in production code. Interning is an implementation detail. It can change between Python versions or even between runs. When you construct a string at runtime, it won't be interned automatically. If you genuinely need interning, say for a large dictionary key deduplication, use sys.intern explicitly. But for all comparisons, always use equals. It is always correct and never misleads you. String interning is a memory optimization, not a comparison tool. Always use equals for strings. Never is. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.